We are in Burgas, Bulgaria. This is a very popular spot here. I can't wait to get into this coffee. First bite. They done did it again. There's always something going on here in the center. Largest Orthodox church here in Burgas. Oh my God, look at this. My city's so beautiful. Even if I walk down these stairs right here, it leads me over to the sea. It is never too late for me to do a beach day. There's only one way to go in here. The water is absolutely insane. Let's get some ice cream. Okay, here we go. First bite, first bite. This is a 10 straight up. We have now made it on the scooters. Oh, there's sand here. Wait, I'm about to drift right here. Whoa, my God, bro. Good morning, everybody. We are currently in Burgas, Bulgaria, which is actually my home city. Now, although I don't live here, I always try and come here whenever I can. So what we're gonna do today is we're basically just gonna kind of hang out and explore my city. We're gonna start here in the city center in the morning. We'll probably go for the beach in the afternoon, and then we'll probably wrap it up here at night as well. But I'm excited for you to see this, so let's go hang out and see what we got here today. All right, now for our first stop here, we are at the Burgas compass. If you come a little closer here and see, this is actually geographically positioned in the center of the city, which means everything based off of that is relative to this. Since Burgas is most known for its sea and its beaches, the actual compass itself is very naval themed. That's why you'll see all these kinds of things on here that relate to the sea. This is a very popular spot here, but I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna sit down, grab a coffee, and then we'll go from there. And I know just the spot. Come on. Just like every other European city, Burgas has no shortage of cafes, and we are here at Café de Paris. This is actually a remodeled cafe, which was formerly known as Malibu, which is one of the most popular cafes here in Burgas. And of course, we got a little cappuccino to start the day. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this, and then probably get a snack after, and then we'll head towards the water. But as of now, I can't wait to get into this coffee. Wow, that hits. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention is with your coffee, you get these things. We call these a kasmetçi, which is like basically your luck. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what I got here. Well, that is actually kind of ironic. It says, don't overwork. That's actually crazy. Well, I don't know if this is work or not, but I'll try not to overdo it. Okay, I'll see you guys when we get to the other spot. All right, after we got our coffee, oh, I just touched gum. Yeah. Next thing that I want to get is something sweet. And one thing I love about this city is that there's a bakery on every corner. So we're gonna hop in here, see what they got, and then hopefully get something sweet. Let's see. Здравейте. All right, so what we ended up getting here is we got a medinka. See that? I'm excited to get into this. Get a little closer. Ready? First bite. They done did it again. This is insane. Okay, let's start heading up this way. We're gonna make our way over to the bridge now, but wow, I'll never get tired of these. Now, the center here is actually where a majority of the people come to hang out. But the thing is, you actually won't see many people here during the day. It's more popular here at night. During the day, since it's so hot, majority of the people are either at work or on the beach. But regardless, you'll always see people here. There's always something going on here in the center. Before we go to the bridge though, I do want to go right here and show you guys one more thing. So I'll see you guys when we get there. But yeah, I'll see you when we get there. Now this is what I actually wanted to show you guys. Behind me is actually Kirill and Methodi Church, which is the largest Orthodox church here in Burgas. And fun fact, I was actually baptized here. But no, I will not be showing you any pictures of that. Now, I believe there's actually some sort of wedding ceremony happening behind me. So I think what we're gonna try and do is get in there before them and have a quick little look, and then we'll move over to the next spot. But come on inside, let's go see what we can see. All right, correction. So there actually is a wedding event going on in there right now. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to skip this part. But if you're ever out here, come and check it out. Beautiful little church. All right, back to the bridge. Let's go. Wow, we have now made it over to the top of Burgas, and behind me here you actually see the famous Burgas Pier. Oh my god, look at this. Here is where everyone pretty much comes to take their picture, and this is probably the most picturesque spot of the whole city. You got the whole beach line, you got the pier in the back, you got the whole Morska Gradina, which is like our garden back here. Just super beautiful. This is an iconic spot. But what I think is going on right now is I am getting a little hot. So I think we're gonna basically walk down the garden, change into a bathing suit, and hop in the water, because yeah, I'm ready to swim. All right, what we're walking through right now is the Morska Gradina, or the sea garden, if you want to do a literal translation. This is pretty much just a giant garden that's alongside the beach. In here, you know, there's playgrounds, statues, water fountains, we got big monuments. There's a lot going on here, to be honest. I won't be able to film all of it, but the cool thing is when you walk towards the end of it, it pretty much leads you over to the sea. I mean, even if I walk down these stairs right here, it leads me over to the sea. So yeah, like I said, I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically walk down this garden a little bit, hop into some bathing suits, and the water looks absolutely insane. So I can't wait to jump in. But yeah, man, my city's so beautiful. We got greenery, we got water, we got everything. All right, guys, we are currently here in Burgas Plage, or Burgas Beach as they call it. And although it is a little bit of a late one, it's almost 4 p.m. so a lot of people aren't actually here right now. It is never too late for me to do a beach day. So with that being said, I'm gonna go find a place to sit, and I will see you guys there now. All right, we ended up finding a nice little spot here, sat down. And yeah, like I said, because it is a little bit late here in the day, there isn't as many people. But with that being said, it's still like 36, 37 degrees. I'm actually already sweating, and I just sat down here. There is a little bit of a wind going on, which is kind of nice. So I hope you guys can hear me, by the way. And it does seem like the water is a little bit wavy. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy a little bit of snacks like I usually do. Get a little Fanta going on. Ooh. And what I'm gonna do is probably get a little bit of color here before I end up hopping in and enjoying the water. So yeah, that's gonna be my current plan for now. I will see you guys once I go in the water. Okay guys, now we're about to hop in the water. I think the water is really hot right now. I gotta remove my mic though. Hold on, let me feel the water. Come. Ooh. The water is chai, what we say here, chai. It means it's as hot as tea. Oh my God, okay, I gotta hop in. There's only one way to go in here. I'm gonna show you how. Ready? Here we go. Water is absolutely insane. It's so hot right now. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera away and I'm going back to swim. I'll see you guys after. Okay guys, with that being said, the beach day is coming to an end now. We're gonna go home, shower up, eat up, get ready for the night, and then we'll see where the night takes us. Okay, bye for now. I'll see you when it's nighttime. All right guys, we are now back here in the center. It is nighttime now, so you can see a lot of people are out and about. We just had an amazing dinner up the street, had some nice little seafood, but now it is time for dessert. And no better place than Gelateria, this place right behind me here. I don't know if it's actually called that or not, but this place is absolutely amazing. Now, I've had ice cream many places all over the world, but nothing beats this place right here. More specifically, because they actually have my favorite flavor, Sahir. Okay, enough waffling. Let's get some ice cream. Look at the flavor right here, guys. Oh my God, yes, this right here. This right here is absolutely insane. I'm so excited to eat this. This is actually my first time eating it since I've been back. Здравей, в кофичка и една топка от сахара. Да. Alright, come with me. This is absolutely insane. I cannot wait to eat this. We're gonna go for the first bite. You know, I'm like a spoon guy. Off the cone though. I don't want it in a cup. Here we go. First bite. You guys see that? I don't know if it's focusing or not. No? Yes? Oh my God, look at that. Okay, here we go. First bite. Get a little closer here on the first bite. I'm not sure if I'm levitating or not, but it feels like it. This is absolutely insane. No, this is a straight 10. When people ask me, oh, rate that, what do you think? You know, like you hit them with like an 8.5, 8.6 when you're kind of like, you know, it's good, but it's not great. No, this is a double digit right here. This is a 10 straight up. No, this is absolutely insane. Okay, I think what we're gonna do now, we're gonna finish this, and I kind of want to go ride some scooters or something. So I don't know. We'll see what we're gonna do, but I will see you in the next scene. All right, everybody. Whoa, I know what you're asking. How? This guy's wearing a whole different shirt. Yes, I know. It is actually a whole different day. Now, the other day when we came here and we were gonna go to the scooters, what ended up happening is they had just closed. So I'm gonna film this little segment. We're still gonna do the scooter thing and everything like that, and then we'll cut back to the actual outro. Sorry. Now, I know you're probably wondering, where is this guy? I'm wondering the same thing. We are here at, what does it say? Rock Dog. I have no idea what this is, but like I was saying earlier, there's always some sort of events going on here, and this actually just seems to be one of them. There's a whole concert happening behind me. There's a bunch of food. They have like a bunch of spinning pig roasts. It's absolutely insane. It's an absolute mess though, and I don't like these kinds of mixes, but I just kind of came here and got this little clip. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go actually eat, and then I will see you guys at the scooters. All right, let's go, Rain. Let's go. All right, and just like that, we have now made it on the scooters. Yo, Rain, how's your scooter? I got my scooter right here. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna rip around with these right now, and then maybe even get a race going, huh? Yeah. It's actually, because it is a Friday right now, it's actually pretty lit here by the beach. Like there's people like all over this restaurant. There's people walking out and about. Shisha lounges are packed, everything like that. The whole city is out right now. So we're gonna try and find a nice little secluded area and then absolutely rip these. But man, what a vibe night right now. Oh, can you guys see me? Uh-oh, hairline check. No, don't expose me. Woo! Yo, Rain! We're literally right by the water right now. The water is to like my absolute right now. You can't see it, but we're going down this crazy path right now. Well, it's not crazy at all. It's just literally a straight path. Oh my God, hold on. I'm gonna flip the camera. Oh yeah. I'm about to dust her. Yeah. Get out my way, boy. Get out my way, boy. Oh, I'm ripping now. Oh, there's sand here. Oh no, I'm getting speed wobble. Oh shit. Oh no, not like this. Wait, chill. Oh no, I have no brakes. Go crazy, Rain, go crazy. Go crazy. Hit the horn. Oh my God. Yeah. Whoa, my God, bro. Bro, you literally almost fell. Oh, you're gonna hit the 3-wheel motion? All right, I learned this one here from my boys back in Dubai. Shout out to my boys. Here we go. Oh, in the sand. Oh, he's still holding it. Check the back wheel on him. He's still holding it. Oh, y'all see that? Oh, hold up. I learned this from my boys in Philly. Here we go. Oh shit. I'm going the Emirati way again. Wait, hold up. Hold up, I can still hold it. I'm still holding it. I'm still holding it. I'm still holding it. I'm still holding it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh shit. Okay, okay, I'm done. I'm done. Fast and Furious. Drift. Wait, I'm about to drift right here. Fast and what? Fast and Furious.
Oh, 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 oh.
Wait, what did he say? What did he say? He said, Fast and Furious. Drift. Ski, 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 ski. Okay, I literally have 1% battery. My battery is literally flashing right now. Okay, we're gonna go and wrap this up now. And now we're also gonna cut back to me from the other day, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Okay, oh my God, the battery's running out. The battery's literally... All right guys, we are now here at the Burgas Pier. It's actually the same one that we saw earlier, but we're here now at night and it's a little bit windy, but it's a lovely breeze going on. We're gonna actually go up to the top right now and then we'll wrap things up there. So I'll see you when we get to the top over there. Wow, look at that. Just as beautiful during the night as it is during the day. You know, I love the city. There's something about the city, it just kind of has that unique charm, and everyone that I talk to, they always say the same thing, you know, they love this city, and I can see why. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Again, I am a little biased because I am from here, but wow, what an amazing place. We had an amazing little day here today. Of course, there's a lot more I wish I could show you guys, but from the short little time we spent together, I hope you guys got to see a little bit of my city, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.